Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I will share my top 10 websites to ignite your graphic design creativity. So let's start. Behance is more than a website. It's like a network of sites for creative from many disciplines. Designers can share their portfolios, making it a fantastic place to explore designs from around the globe. But Behance is more than just a showcase platform. It's a vibrant community where creatives can give and receive feedback, connect and collaborate. Abduzidu is a daily inspiration hub that curates and highlights the best design and visual inspiration from all the corners of the web. This site covers various creative disciplines from graphic design and typography to photography and architecture. This website offers a diverse mix of content, ensuring there is always something new and inspiring to discover. Dribbble is another excellent platform that brings designers closer together. The unique aspect of Dribbble is focused on sharing small screenshots. This format encourages people sharing work-in-progress projects and fosters a culture of feedback and interaction. It's an excellent place to follow trends and see how other designers work. Pinterest might seem an unexpected entry, but is a precious tool for designers. It's an image-centric platform and is perfect for collecting or organizing visual inspiration. Plus, Pinterest's algorithm is designed to show you more of what you love, making it easier to discover new styles, trends, and techniques that matches your interests. True to its name, design inspiration is about inspiring your next design project. It's similar to Pinterest, but geared explicitly towards design, featuring a very simple interface that makes browsing a breeze. The site allows you to save your favorite images into collections and even search by color, making it an excellent tool for curating mood boards and finding just the right aesthetics for your project. Founded by creation designer Anna Bakanovic, the design blog is a platform that presents high-quality design works from professionals and students worldwide. Its curated content spans various design fields, from branding and typography to print and digital design. If you are looking for a collection of innovative designs and fresh ideas, this blog is worth a visit. For those especially interested in website inspiration, look no further than Site Inspire. This platform showcases an impressive collection of website designs and digital projects. Carefully categorized by styles, types, and subjects, you can easily browse through its directory and filter the content based on your needs. Make it a great tool to simulate your web design creativity. While it's not a strictly design showcase website, Creative Reviews blog is a goldmine of inspiration. You will find in-depth articles on advertising, design, and photography. They regularly highlight innovative campaigns and designs, providing visual inspiration, thoughtful analysis, and critical discussions about the creative industry. AIGA Design Archives is a fantastic resource for anyone interested in the history and evolution of design. The archives hold many historical and contemporary designs. From typography to packaging to digital design, the archives is a window into the richness and diversity of design as a discipline. One of the largest online communities, DeviantART is a treasure trove of artist inspiration. This platform is home to various forms of art, including graphic design. The sheer variety of styles, techniques, and concepts you can find here is staggering, making DeviantArt a fantastic place to explore, get inspired, and engage with other creatives. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this selection, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.